All right, guys. So I want to talk about a bit more about social media posts with ChatGPT, and I will also show you example of the AI PRM extension and how can we write um, social media with this extension. I have a later video on the extension, like the full video with explaining, but for this video I will only use it just to show you something cool we can do with it about social media posts. So keep that with the example. I will focus more on this video about Instagram and posts like this, hashtags and keywords and stuff like that. So let's say we just open the new Instagram account, and we will keep with the example uh, of the financial freedom and motivation. And we want to ask ChatGPT to write us like real ideas, post ideas, hashtags, even a content strategy that we can write with ChatGPT. So let's start. I have an Instagram account, Instagram page about motivation and financial freedom. I need post real reels ideas to gain more followers, right? So basically, it should give us like the same ideas. Yeah, so motivational quotes, success stories, tips and tricks, challenges, interviews, conduct interviews with successful entrepreneurs, interesting idea, personal stories, infographics, reels showcasing financial success, Q&A sessions, collaboration. Okay, so he gave us like different examples, but very cool examples we can use in our posts. And obviously, we want to develop it more. So let's say, write me. Oh, no, so we say based on the information you provided, write me free Instagram post um, content plus. So let's say write me free Instagram post like uh, description plus hashtags, right? So you just give us the post description and the hashtags. So description: invest in yourself is the best investment you can make. Take charge of your financial future by investing in your education and personal development. What are you doing to invest in yourself today? So obviously, it's a post about investing in yourself. You can just put a picture with a quote or just like a carousel of tips. And you can see the hashtags: invest in yourself, personal development, financial freedom. Description two: don't let fear hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Motivational quote description, and the third description: did you know that saving money can be easy and fun? Check our latest blog post for creative ways to save money and reach your financial goals, and with hashtags. So as you can see, he really gave us the full hashtags, the full post description, and we can gain more followers and more likes with posts that created by ChatGPT and AI. I can also ask him, write me a bio for this Instagram page. A mistake on the time. So sure, here's a bio for your Instagram page. Welcome to the page name where we inspire and motivate you to achieve financial freedom. Our goal is to provide you with practical tips, inspiring stories, and motivational quotes to help you take control of your finance, and build the life you've always dreamed of. Follow us for daily inspiration and join our community of like-minded individuals on the journey to financial success. So as you can see, we really got very nice Instagram post hashtags, bio. So we can really build a full working um, nice Instagram page, no matter what niche we are, like no matter which subject. We can do it all with ChatGPT, and we can then personalize it and edit it in our means. Another thing I want to show you. Um, so just want to show you Just need to find it. Right, yeah. So get a monthly content calendar in one click. So this is with the extension. I will explain later on the extension, on the AI PRM extension that is great for writing content. But just a simple example I will show you now. We just insert the primary keyword you want to create content for, and this will give us like a content calendar for the month. So like the primary keyword of our Instagram page, let's say, should be financial freedom in 5 years. Okay, let's make it bit more interesting. Financial freedom in 5 years. So as you can see, we just write him one keyword, like financial freedom in 5 years. This is one keyword. That's all we write for ChatGPT, and with the help of this extension, it will give us a monthly content calendar, right? That we can develop and ask more information to our Instagram, Facebook, or no matter what, right? So this is really crazy. Um, so yeah, week one, 5 steps to achieving financial freedom in 5 years. Week two, how to save for financial freedom in 5 years. The best investments for financial freedom in 5 years. Retire early with financial freedom in 5 years. And it also gives like the dates. This is really recorded in March 27. So as you can see, this is real dates. Um, And why is this so helpful? Because we can see 5 steps to achieving financial freedom in 5 years. We can ask ChatGPT to write us content based on this week. Okay, so we can ask them like write me five, six, seven. I don't know how many you want. 7 posts or 5 steps to achieving like financial freedom in five. Or we can do like one every day, one step. Right? We can develop it and do like a lot of things we can do with it. But yeah, so this is a really nice extension, and we'll look at it more in the future videos.